Alright, my guitar to the pedals and the output to the radio JDI and throughout to the amp. And balance out to the 502 mixer. Okay, let's try. Okay, then I change to the Palmer PDI. And the set to the attenuator to the 0 and the cap simulator to normal. Okay, so right now the pedal output to the PDI input and throughout to the box is the 30. It seems to be like normal, but something different. EP booster is perfect. Okay. AC boost. Okay. And all fox. It's like a phase inverse or something. Very weird. Only this pedal, all fox, and connect with Palmer PDI with this problem.